Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about love. Just kidding, I want to talk about hearts. In this video, I'm going to show you how I sculpt hearts. You may be asking yourself, Christina, why don't you use cookie cutters? Because the size! They're way too big! And even if I find a small one, it's not miniature size, and it's always limiting. I do have smaller ones, but I like to change my size of hearts, so sculpting it is a better option. This is a really quick trick on how to make hearts, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So as I mentioned before, there are cookie cutters that are smaller. I have two right here, but this is still big, and so is this one when you're doing miniature work. So let's try this one out. So this one is probably supposed to be a leaf as well, or a heart and a leaf, and you can see it's kind of rounded off, so you'd probably end up having to cut and reshape anyways, or you might want to make this more deeper, but you see you're fiddling around with it anyways too. Same thing with this one. Cookie cutters, you don't really get a sharp corner or indent because the metal has to bend, and therefore you get a rounded corner. So I'm not happy with that, and besides, this is way too big for my project. So let's try this again. First, you take a piece of clay. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger just to show you, but you can make it a lot smaller. So shape it into a ball, then roll out the middle. We're getting more of that worm shape. Now you can either pinch it or leave it like that. I'm going to try it first, just leaving it like that. Cut it on an angle. So now you have two pieces. Twist it around. We've got our perfect shaped heart here. We just take our tools and smooth out that joint together. Ta-da! Let's try that again, but make it flat. I used the little heart technique on this sweet little cake topper. On the base, just tiny little hearts. This is what we'd get if you had a longer snake versus this, and they're both good. It still has its applications. Boop. What I do like about this technique as well is that with the cookie cutters you get this straight line, and you'd have to smooth out the edges to have it beveled, whereas this, it's just beveled automatically. And I hope you guys find it helpful.